Jake Bautista, and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new, fully featured 4-bedroom townhome development for sale located here in Taguig City near Bonifacio Global City and C5. This property has fantastic accessibility, and let's begin by taking a look at its modern facade. This property has a total lot area of 200 square meters and a floor area of 410 square meters across 4 levels. And it also has an elevator. Come on, let's go! Through your main gate, which has automation as well, you have a parking space here for about 3 vehicles. One, two, and then a third vehicle right here. You also have a nice area right here that can be potentially maximized as an additional amenity space. If you have guests over, you can potentially have a table here, a nice receiving area beside the parking space. And it's almost completely covered already with a high ceiling, and let's head on towards the main entry. You have a digital door lock. Now welcome to your beautiful home. My first impression upon entering this property is it doesn't feel like a townhome at all. It has the feel of a single detached property because of the space. You have a high ceiling. You also have a large area here for your living room set. You can potentially have an L-shaped sofa right here, a television set on this side, or even the sofa on this side and then the television right here. From your living space, you have the central hub of the ground floor of this property, which is your dining area. You can easily fit a table here for 6 to 8 people. And for additional lighting and ventilation, you have this sliding door leading out towards a tiled patio space and wall fountain. The windows, by the way, are sturdy PVC, and you have access here towards the parking area and down here towards your service area, which we will explore later. I always like to test how smoothly the sliding doors open and close. So well installed. And you already have a floor-mounted Panasonic air conditioning unit right here. And let me tell you, it's already quite cool in this space. Now, from your dining area, you also have your modern kitchen. You have an island countertop here, and I love the minimalist light fixtures here. This is where you can have your refrigerator. You have a Latrmania branded range hood, and you have your oven and cooktop space. Windows here for additional lighting and ventilation. Lots of storage, open shelving and closed shelving also. Lots of additional storage as well throughout the entire space. And of course, you have a Nippon branded passenger elevator, which gives you access from the ground level towards the 2nd and 3rd floors. And in terms of access, you have your first bedroom right here. Good spacing in terms of it being a multi-purpose room. This can be a home office, playroom, and this doesn't necessarily have to be the room for the more senior members of the family since you already have an elevator. There's space here for additional storage, and This door leads towards the bathroom, which also doubles as your powder room. So let's take a quick look. The wooden tile design gives it the feel of a sauna. And this door gives you direct access back to the kitchen space. So this can be used by guests as well. From this angle, you can see the size of the space. And now let's begin to explore the lower ground level where you have a spacious service area. I like the finish of the wooden railing here. The area underneath the stairs is maximized for storage. And here you have your staff room. This can easily fit 2 bunk beds. Lots of ventilation also here through these jalousie windows, and you also have a staff bathroom. You have another room here, which can be the driver's room or a storage room if you don't have a driver. And then on this side, you have your service kitchen. So this can be maximized by having an additional refrigerator or oven right here. It's up to you how you want to maximize the space. You can even have a washer dryer in this area. But what's nice is it's spacious enough that your staff, even if you have more than one, has an entire area that's dedicated to them, which is separate from the living space. And what's nice is it has lighting, ventilation also, and you can even potentially increase the area by covering this space. Because right now, this has a heavy wash area, pressure tank, and you have access leading up towards the tiled space and the wall fountain beside the dining area. But you can see the size of the property here. It's a 4-level concrete structure. Now we're back here at the ground level. So for orientation, you have the lower ground level, the ground level, the second and third floors. Now let's head on up towards the second level. Let's go. Wow, this is such a unique space. You have a double height ceiling area and a second living space here at the second floor. So you see you can easily fit a table here. This can be a nice lounge space, gathering area for the family. Your family can be here, guests can be downstairs, or vice versa. Even if you have grown children who are already married, or teenagers or in college or working, they can have their different group of friends in different areas of the house because of the size and how well separated the different amenity areas are. And here we now have one of the most unique features of this property, a spacious covered balcony space. You have artificial grass right here. Wooden design for the ceiling. So the whole space feels very relaxing, very calming. This is excellent also for just having a nice area for the family and friends to gather in. And I can imagine this being a nice work from home space because you already have outlets as well. You can have tables here. You can even project a movie here. Right behind this property is a large green field, and it's very relaxing, lots of trees, and it's a fantastic complement to the creation of this balcony. And on top of your powder room that you had downstairs, you also have a second powder room right here. And in the future, if you want to convert this to a bedroom, at least you already have this comfort room right here. Okay. And now it's time to explore the second bedroom in the property, which is your master bedroom. This is such a spacious room, extending all the way to the front of the house. Room enough for a king-sized bed and a living room set. Very elegant design for the flooring with the wooden design. You also have a balcony space right here as an additional amenity for your bedroom. Now, to give you a quick background, this property is in a secure, quiet community with very fast access towards the McKinley Commercial Complex and Bonifacio Global City. For the storage, you have your walk-in closet right here. And then your bathroom space. I love how much space there is beside your sink area for various toiletries. And what's nice is you have this door, frosted glass to let in light but give you privacy and keeps out moisture from the cabinetry for your storage. So you've now taken a look at 2 rooms and your amenity spaces. It's now time to take a look at the 3rd level. Let's go. This is another unique aspect of this property. The 3rd floor hallway feels like a bridge because on one side you have your staircase, and then on the other side you have the high ceiling open below area at the 2nd level. And you have 2 separate rooms here, which are the 3rd and 4th bedrooms. And here you have your 3rd bedroom. What you'll notice about this room is you can interchange it as your master bedroom from your primary bedroom at the 2nd floor because of the size. The only difference here is this doesn't have a balcony. But if you prefer to be on this level, since you already have an elevator, it's also a great option. Another additional aspect here is you have this sliding door here towards your walk-in closet space. And of course, your bathroom. So this has a different feel in terms of the tiling used. This has a more masculine feel. And of course, what's very noticeable here in terms of the difference with the 2nd bedroom is this has a dual vanity sink space. So for some property owners, they prefer to have just 1 sink. Others have 2 sinks. And this can be also a great in-law suite. If, for example, you have a married son or daughter and you want them to live with you, and they can have a dual vanity sink space as well. And I like this sliding glass panel here because it gives you additional privacy for your walk-in closet space. You also have a provision here for a light fixture, a chandelier. It's up to you just to maximize the grand feeling for this amenity. And right here, once again, is access towards your elevator. And here you have your fourth bedroom. And here we have your fourth bedroom. You have storage here. You have a window giving you a view of your amenity space at the second level. So the house just has some retouches being made right now. So that's gonna get finished within the next few days. And this also gives you a great view of the greenery at the back of the house. And here you have your bathroom space. And now from your bathroom area, let's head on back towards your third level hallway. And let's take the elevator going down towards the ground level. So you see the size of the elevator. So this can fit a wheelchair, and it can also potentially fit about 3 to 4 people. Okay. And now I'm gonna head on down towards the ground level. And now we're here at the ground level, and that was a smooth elevator ride. And that caps off our quick house tour. Want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.